Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here with the one, the only, Billy Kyle and the Pilot Institute. Billy, first of all, man, really great to see you. Absolutely, man. Tell us a little bit about what's going on here with Pilot Institute.
Yeah, so Pilot Institute offers, a great training program from top to bottom. They're most well known for their FA Part 107 course, but something that I've been working on with them is like a real estate photography course, right? And just kind of a general photo and video course that helps anybody that buys a drone or that wants to kind of take their photography and video skills to the next level, help them actually make money with their equipment.
Yeah, and it's important that there's a service like that because a lot of guys get into like drones and they think, well, I'm just going to make money flying my drones, but then they don't have any skills to really like back that up.
Yes.
And that's something we've talked about before on the podcast as well as some other conversations. Yep. Tell us a little bit about what brought you to this position with Pilot Institute and what you're doing with them today.
Yeah, so I got started probably about 6 years ago actually making tutorial videos, right? So I wanted to try to create a course that kind of brought everything together in one spot because you make these YouTube videos that are maybe 10 minutes long and your information is kind of scattered across all these different spots for people to go and actually find that info. So I wanted to bring it all together in one spot so that you could go from top to bottom and learn everything that there is to know.
Okay, gotcha. That's pretty cool. Makes sense, all coheses together. Now I got to ask about what's going on with you. I know you've got a lot of stuff going on. You're getting into the EV space. Yeah. You've got the channel going with all the new drones that are out. Tell us a little bit about what we can expect in your channel coming up.
Yeah, so really the biggest thing I'm looking forward to is Inspire 3. I think that everybody's looking forward to that drone. One of the biggest things that really helped me launch my channel was the Inspire 2. I covered that drone extensively, so now being able to finally get an update to that is something that I'm probably most excited for, and even just to fly it. I mean, I cannot wait to fly that drone.
Yeah, absolutely. So one last question. People want to learn more. Maybe they're seeing Billy Kyle for the first time, which blows my mind. But maybe they're seeing it. Where can they learn a little bit more about Pilot Institute as well as what you're doing?
Yeah, so if you just look me up on any social media, Billy Kyle, I'm usually the first Billy Kyle to pop up, usually sometimes depending on your search history. And also Pilot Institute, they're super easy to find as well. Just go on Google, you'll probably run into one of their ads because they are all over the place and they offer a lot of great courses. So make sure you go and check them out if you're looking to up your drone game.
Excellent. Hey, Billy, thanks so much for your time, man. Really appreciate it. Absolutely.
Awesome.